Okay, so our pump died, so we got a replacement kit for our lantern. And I think it's going to be pretty simple. You just have to keep spinning this to unlock it from the thing, and just turn it counterclockwise. And then the stem comes out. It's the new pump from in the bag. So I'm going to put this down it. And I'm going to just put some oil on. And the pump cap. I think I'm maybe adding too much, but I just want to make sure there's enough. And then you just... Oh, that's definitely going to work better. Nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get it started. I don't think it's in. There we go. There's a little hole. Now it's in. Okay. So now I can pump it in a little bit. Attach that and spin it to lock. Now it's replaced. So now we can unlock it. Oh, such a better pump. The other one was completely busted. We have two new Peerless mantles on. Once we have it pumped here, I'll burn these mantles. And some people say you should burn them before. I don't see the sense in that. They become super fragile. And it's the same thing. So these Peerless mantles are way bigger than the Coleman ones. I don't find they burn quite as bright. But they're way bigger, so they may produce more light, even though they're not quite as bright as the other ones. However, you can get the old radioactive ones if you want to from this company, Peerless, and those ones will definitely burn brighter. So there's no need to have it flare up. Just let them do their thing. And they'll slowly light up. Okay. Wow, that's such a better pump now.